I'm on board my flight to Lisbon out of Philadelphia, and we got the menu here. I took a couple pictures of it. Looks good. Looks like there's a nice beef fillet for dinner, and they do have a wine list here also. I'm in seat 2A, and this is a 787. Doesn't say which one, but I think it's a -8. I'm not sure here. So 787-8, seat 2A. And what else we got here? Got in-flight entertainment, and got the headset here, noise canceling headset, and there's a little amenity kit here. I don't know why, but it just powered off for some reason. It says I get 84% battery, but that's what's been happening with this GoPro lately. It just goes off at weird times, even when you have a lot of battery power left. So I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, got to get situated here. Well, I got my champagne here, but it's in a plastic cup here, and I don't know if this is the one they have on the menu that's the real expensive one, or if this is Chateau Schuylkill River with the screw cap or something on it. I don't know. I'm thinking like it's not going to be that great if it's served in a plastic cup here. So at least it's not a plain plastic cup. At least it's something semi-fancy here. Okay, let's take a sip here. Not too bad. Well, this is an overnight flight, so I don't know if we're going to be able to see any of the city. It's raining outside, so there might be low clouds and may not get any good shots of it there. But anyway, I think we're getting into Portugal a little bit earlier than anticipated, and I think it's about a 7-hour flight or something, and we're still 10 minutes before our takeoff time, so it looks like we will be taking off on time. And like I said, a little rain outside, but nothing is going to hold us up, I think, here. Okay. It's Portugal.